Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode we are going to make a death screen. Let's get started. The first step is to get my free model spectator system in the description for free, so make sure you go get that. And afterwards you can insert it into your game by using this toolbox and then click this button right here, and then you will find the spectator system. Once we have it, we can right click and ungroup. Ungroup. Let's drag it under starter GUI. Let's rename it to death GUI. Let's open it, select the spectate frame and just delete it. Now let's go into the spectate handler script and let's modify it a little bit. So these two things over here, the spectate frame and the click button, we can delete those. And then we can scroll down and remove this one. Then we can change it up a little bit and write script.parent get property change signal visible connect function. If the script.parent.visible, then if it's visible, we want the spectate screen to start, but only if there's someone that we can spectate. If not, then just don't spectate anyone. So if there's no other players that I can spectate, I'm not gonna have this spectate GUI visible. Okay, so let's insert another script into the death GUI. Let's just call it local death handler. There we go. And we just need to get our player. We also need our character, which we can find inside. So like this. There we go. Now we have our character. We also need our humanoid, which is inside the character, but we need to wait for it just in case it hasn't loaded yet. So that's why we're using wait for child. And when our humanoid dies, I want to show this spectate frame. And we are going to make a new button called lobby button. So we are going to do that next. There we go. And now we can insert a new button, text button, anchor point 0.51, position 0.5, 0.7, maybe 75. Yep. 125, 0.1. No, that's a bit big. 0.75, 0.5, no, 0.75 is good. And we can change the X to maybe 15, yeah. Text scale to true, font to, what's it called again? Let's see, Roboto. Let's write return to lobby. Let's just call it lobby button, as previously mentioned. We can insert a UI padding element. We can set it to 0.1 on all axes. We can copy this color from the last button, copy it into this, set the text color to white, set it to medium. Oh, okay, bold then, I guess. Okay. We can go over to players and we can set the respawn time to something like forever, basically, because I don't want the player to respawn. I want the player to be teleported back to the lobby once he dies. So that's what I'm gonna do next. So once this button is clicked, script.parent lobby button mouse button one click, connect function. Again, get service, teleport, player. And what we need now is the game's player. No, the game's place ID. So what I'm gonna do is go to the game right here, to the website where I can find all my games, and I'm gonna select the game that I want as the lobby. Let's just choose this one. Let's just go and copy the start place ID and paste it right there. Yeah, okay. And now I'm going to publish this game because I have to publish it, of course. The header thing, I guess. Let's create it. Now it's time to set this to visible, to not visible. There we go, and publish again. And we can find it on the website. So let's go do that. So we have, come on, there we go. We have our game. Let's go to view on, and then we can play. Now just wait while the game loads. There we go. I forgot that it's kind of hard to test without 2 players, so 1 second, let's fix that. Okay, so we have 2 players. Let me just resize the screen so we can see them both. Okay, that's fine, I guess. Okay, so we have 2 players. I'm gonna reset. Okay, so now I'm dead. I'm gonna be dead forever. And I can spectate the other players for as long as I want to, and then I can return to the lobby once I'm ready for that. The reason it doesn't teleport now is because this is inside Studio, but you can teleport in the game, so don't you worry about that. Thank you for watching my video. It's kind of short today, and the next 3 videos will be short as well. That's because I'm going on vacation, and I just made a few videos so you can watch while I'm on vacation, so I didn't really have. Okay, so we have 2 players. Let me just resize the screen so we can see them both. Okay, that's fine, I guess. Okay, so